How can I activate the Do Not Disturb feature for WhatsApp calls?
Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can activate the Do Not Disturb feature for WhatsApp calls. This useful function allows you to have a peaceful time without interruptions, especially when you're busy or simply want a break from calls.
What is the Do Not Disturb feature?
The Do Not Disturb feature is a setting that can be enabled on your device to silence notifications, calls, and alerts. While there isn't a direct way to activate Do Not Disturb, specifically for WhatsApp calls, you can use a workaround by manipulating your phone's settings. We'll show you how to do this on both Android and iOS devices.
How to activate Do Not Disturb on Android.
Follow these simple steps to activate the Do Not Disturb feature on your Android device. 1. Open your phone settings. You can do this by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the gear icon. 2. Navigate to Sound and Vibration. Here you will find the Do Not Disturb option. 3. Turn on Do Not Disturb. You can customize the settings to your preference, like choosing to allow alarms or setting automatic rules for certain times of the day. Remember, this will silence all calls and notifications, not just those from WhatsApp.
How to activate Do Not Disturb on iOS.
If you're an iPhone user, the process is pretty straightforward. Here are the steps. 1. Open your phone settings. You can do this by tapping on the Settings app. 2. Navigate to Do Not Disturb. You can find this option towards the top of the list. 3. Turn on Do Not Disturb. You can also schedule a time for Do Not Disturb to automatically turn on and off. Again, this feature will silence all calls and notifications, not just those from WhatsApp. And there you have it. Now you know how to activate the Do Not Disturb feature on your phone to mute WhatsApp calls, as well as all other notifications. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Remember, sometimes it's necessary to disconnect and enjoy some quiet time. Thanks for watching.